show you how to insert a cell and how to delete a cell and multiple cells in Excel. Select the cell that you would like to delete. On the Home tab, click the arrow next to the Delete button and select Delete Cells. Choose whether you would like to shift the cells to the left or shift cells up. Click OK. Now let's insert a cell between these two cells. Click the bottom cell. On the Home tab, click the arrow next to the Insert button and select Insert Cells. Select from one of the options and click OK. Instead of using the buttons on the Home tab, you can select the cell or cells, right-click, and select Insert or Delete, and choose from one of the options and click OK. To delete multiple cells, select one of the cells that you would like to delete, then hold down the Control key. If you have a Mac, hold down the Control key and the Command key, then select the cells. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.